Whether you're a designer yourself or aspiring to be one, you've probably heard the term mockup tossed around a lot, but have you ever wondered what it actually means? Well, in this video we're going to break down the concept and see how simple it can be to use one in order to bring your designs to life. I'm Andrew and you're watching an Envato Tuts Plus tutorial. So what is a mockup? Well, a mockup is a full-size model of a design or device used for product presentations or other purposes. Think of it as a means of showing off how your design will actually look like when it will be put out into the real world. Depending on your skills and time, you can go through the process of creating your own mockup using dedicated graphic software such as Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, but sometimes you might be better off using more basic tools. For example, Placeit is a powerful platform that offers you an incredible diverse mockup library that you can use in combination with its online generator that will do all the work for you. Let's say I finished working on a weather app and I want to show the client how the home screen will actually look like on a real device. In a matter of seconds, I managed to find a mockup that I feel would be a great fit for the project. All I have to do now is upload my design using either the upload image button or by providing a link to it. If I hover over the first option, it will let me know what size the image needs to be in order to be a good fit. As soon as I click on it, a new pop-up will appear, allowing me to adjust the position of my design and its size. Once I'm ready, all I have to do is click on the crop button, which will quickly give me a preview of how the final image will look like. If I find that I need to make some quick adjustments, I can easily do so by clicking on the little crop button, which will bring up the previous window. Once I'm happy with the result, I can easily download the image by simply clicking on the download button, which will charge me a small fee every time I want to use the mockup. If you rely heavily on mockups to present your designs, then a subscription plan might be a better fit for you since it gives you an unlimited number of downloads for a small monthly fee. As soon as I've downloaded the image, I can open it up and then use it however I want to. What I love about Placeit is that it has a huge mockup library, some of which give you the option of making color adjustments on the fly, like for example this t-shirt one. As with the previous one, I'll quickly go through the process of uploading my image. And then if I take a close look at the top right corner of the page, I can see that I have an option called Shirt Color. If I click on the little drop down button, it will give me the option of changing the t-shirt's color using either one of the predefined values or a new one of my own. Once I'm happy with the result, I'll press the download button and then quickly go through the process of acquiring it. No matter what project you end up working on, you can easily find a great mockup to help you bring your design to life. Personally, I've found 3 designs that I absolutely love, such as this casual MacBook one, this simple yet beautiful business card one, and finally this cute iPad one that I plan on using in the near future. If you decide that you need a little bit more control of your scene, then you can find some incredibly powerful mockups over at Envato Market, such as this beautiful iPhone one, or maybe this Envato Elements display showcase one, that both come as PSD files. That being said, I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.